Hello and welcome to today's quick video on how to get more confidence in your pendulum's answers by making it shift directions. My name is Renu Arora and I'm an energy healer and I use the pendulum in all of my work. So I'm here today to help you learn to master your pendulum too. Let's dive right in. Now, in a previous video, I shared with you that in order to get quick and fast responses, accurate responses, you should keep your pendulum in motion all the time. Now, today's video is building on that. There is literally nothing more confidence boosting than having your pendulum forcefully change directions to give you its answers. There is a huge difference between having a pendulum start from scratch to tell you yes, like that. Not always, it's like, yeah, I think it's moving. Or having a pendulum forcefully switch into that yes, right? You can see it, you can feel it, it feels really good. You feel like absolutely you've got a solid response there. So what you want to do when you're about to ask questions is to have your pendulum in motion already. So let's say if you're asking about going to a party, and I start my pendulum in a no answer. If it does this great big shift into a yes, I should go to the party, great. You can feel really confident that it moved in that direction. But what if you had started your question in a yes already and it just stays like that? Now, how do you feel certain that it actually meant to stay in a yes or that it actually answered you at all? I get it. I understand how that would be a concern. What you do, you've got two options. You can either flip it around. You can re-ask the question by starting in a no. So if you start in a no and the answer was meant to be yes, should I go to the party? Look at that. You get your wonderful yes. You feel really good. Or if you were in that yes and you want to confirm, okay, did it answer me? Is that really a good idea? Change your question. Ask a question where it would force a direction shift to confirm what you're trying to say. So if your question was, should I go to the party? Another question that would give you a no answer would be, is it a bad idea for me to go to the party? And it just switches to a no. So now you get that nice good shift in the motion, and you've confirmed what you had just asked. So it's as simple as that. So making it shift directions makes you feel really good. You can feel really confident, but you got to learn to ask questions in different ways so that you can force it to shift directions. So if you liked that tip and you want some more, please check out my other YouTube videos or maybe buy a copy of my book, The No Nonsense Guide to Pendulums. More information on that book and other dazzling tips can be found in my link in my bio, as well as in the description underneath this video. So until next time, happy dowsing!